Alright. Threads baseball, guys. A master case. We'll pick out which three we want to do. We'll slice this open. We'll pick out which side we want to do, the left side or the right side. Which inner do we want to do? Which one should we go? Left or right? And then we'll pick three of them. Which side do you think? Left side, right side. Otherwise, we'll just go the one closest to me, which is the right. We'll go the right. We'll move the left out the way. Any thoughts? Left three, middle three, or right three? Let's do. Left, middle, or right? The middle, there you go. So it seems like everybody, when we crack open a new thing of threads, they always want the middle. The middle for threads. Good luck, guys. Alright. Box one. So we got mini box one, mini box two. Threads number two. And box three. Minis 5, minis 6. Then after this, we'll do playbook. Good luck, guys. Box one, fresh. Got a 125, Mets, Tom Sealy. Got a 325, Rangers, Adrian Beltre. Jeff Bagwell, Houston Astros. Got a Hyun-Jin Ryu, Dodgers. Got a Roger Clemens for the Red Sox. Got a base jersey to 18. Base to 18 for the Rangers, Vladimir Guerrero. Vladimir Guerrero. That's strange. Then we've got number 275 for the Diamondbacks. Got a Patrick Corbin. Patrick Corbin for the Diamondbacks. Number 2. Got a redemption. The Braves to 250, John Smoltz. Got a 325, Willie Mays. Got Jim Palmer, the Warriors. Ian Kinsler, Detroit Tigers. Adrian Gonzalez, the Dodgers. Got a Ruby parallel. What are the Rubies, number 2? Number 27, Pirates, Starling Marte. Starling Marte for the Pirates. Let's see if I can read this. Holy cow. Get some glasses. The Rubies, wow. So the Rubies, I think the Rubies might be the one-on-ones. They're one in about 8,000 packs. They're a while. Auto Relic of Ruby. Got a Jason Grilly. Auto Relic Ruby, Jason Greeley. So I think the rubies are 101s. Jason Greeley. Mini box number 3. Pirates, 125, Gregory Polanco. Got a 250, Verlander for the Tigers. Got a McGuire for the Cards. Robin Yount, Milwaukee Brewers. Got a Ryan Braun from Milwaukee Brewers. Got number 227. Number 227. St. Louis Cardinals, Alan Craig. Alan Craig, St. Louis Cardinals. We got an autographed bat, number 250. See, everybody likes this guy. Autographed bat to 50. Texas Rangers, Juan Gonzalez. Juan Gonzalez, autographed bat for the Rangers. Number 4. The Cardinals to 250. Oscar Tavares. Got a Garrett Cole for the Pirates. 325. Base Evan Longoria. Tampa Bay Rays. Base Don Mattingly for the Yankees. Willie Mays. The Giants. Got a jersey card to 36. Jersey card to 36 for the Braves, the Say Hey Kid, Jason Hayward. Jason Hayward for the Braves to 36. Auto jersey to 75. Cardinals, Shelby Miller. Shelby Miller, St. Louis Cardinals. Mini box number 5. After this, we'll do playbook. And tomorrow night, like I said, we got Prime Football. After Prime Football, we've got, let's see here. Prime Football. I know we've got Tier 1 Baseball. Then we got regular Bowman Baseball. Prime Football, regular Bowman Baseball, Tier 1 Baseball. To 99, Red Sox, David Ortiz. Marlins, Jose Fernandez, 325. Adam Wainwright for the Cardinals. Let's see here. Jonathan Singleton, Houston Astros. Got a Nolan Ryan, Texas Rangers. Jumbo jersey, number 218. Cincinnati Reds, Chris Heisey. Chris Heisey, Cincinnati Reds. You got an auto jersey number 218. Auto jersey number 18 for your Kansas City Royals, Billy Butler. Billy Butler. Number 18 for the Royals. Mini box number 6. Rangers to 50, Sin Shu-Chu. With 325, Blue Jays, Jose Reyes. Got a base, David Ortiz, Red Sox. Jacoby Ellsbury, the Yanks. Puig for the Dodgers. Got a number 227, the Rockies, Todd Helton. Todd Helton. And a triple jersey auto to 75. Triple relic auto, 75. White Sox, Adam Eaton. Adam Eaton finishing the Threads of baseball tonight. Threads of baseball.